fire it up. Slow down these windows. Whoa! Keep quick, dude. Holy damn, dude! I'm not gonna lie, this car is faster than the Subaru. I mean, just the way. Oh, okay.
Sounds good. It's literally what mine sound like.
I think you should keep it. Oh, there he is. Look. Oh, what do you think? Oh.
Push it.
I was not expecting that.
So when you have it in the other view, you can view your torque and power, see how much percentage it was. So that was probably about a 30 to 40% power pull.
Bro, I'm selling the STI to get one of these bad boys. And just the interior, look at this, dude. Like the stitching and everything. it took some time to build up, but once the boost hit,
yeah, well, once the boost hit, it just doesn't stop, dude.
So so guide me. Where should I go? Straight, right?
Bring it on the freeway or something.
Okay. All right. Damn, dude. Just like the gear changes are so fast.
Yeah.
And don't cap on Joe here because he has an automatic. This dude has had how many cars?
Like 18 in 3 years, 4 years?
More than half of them have been stick shift.
100%. Something I can daily but also have fun in.
As far as like to get in the pedal shifters, I can just blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, or you can throw this over right here and that goes full manual.
With paddle shifters and everything, right?
Yep, so you can shift up and down with this or you can do paddles, either one.
Okay. Even just cruising on the street. Just the steering wheel feel, the D-shaped wheel.
Yeah, dude, and the concave on it too.
Are there any 85 kits available for this?
I actually just bought one yesterday.
What?
Yeah.
How much more power are you gonna get with that?
Should be in the low 5s. Yeah. Should be fine because it's like one of the mixed kits, but you have to delete your left side AC, and it's pretty much just like a gauge that goes through there. And then you just connect straight to your fuel line, which is like right on the back side of here. These cars are actually pretty easy to work on.
Speaking of the devil, look at the car to the left.
Yeah. I mean, I definitely missed that car, Bella. It was fun. But it was honestly not that fast. Even after tuning.
Yeah.
Unless you do like updated turbos, but
yeah.
Not turbo.
I mean, just the way. Oh, okay.
Damn, okay, sounds good.
Alright.
Sounds like my old one, bro. It's literally what mine sound like. Smells like he's on callus.
Yeah. I think you should keep it. Oh, there he is. Look. Oh, what do you think?
Bro.
Oh.
Chance, bro. That's literally how I drove though, where you just downshift and it backfires.
Yeah.
Mine spit flames though.
I mean,
soon we tuned it, bro.
to be honest, dude. Yeah, yours. Oh God. You think? Oh, he's gonna turn right. No.
It literally sounds like my old car.
It sounds like your old car, exactly, dude.
With the blow-off valve and everything.
Joe.
Have at it, dude.
No.
Got brand new tires, they'll stick.
What tires do you have?
Right now I just have some Federals because I have another set of wheels on the way. I have some Rays that are gonna be here soon.
Joe.
Just push it.
This guy's like prepared.
Ooh, and we're recording the top right there too.
Yeah. Oh, that was fun.
dude, like, what are the odds? Like, the fact that I used to drive that too.
We were just talking about that, dude. I've gotten on my car so many times. I know the feeling, dude. This car is just so smoother.
I mean,
quick.
It's the DSG transmissions. They're literally flawless. Probably one of the best transmissions that's ever been produced, besides like the PDK and the Porsches.
Thank you, Joe, for letting me drive your car.
Always.
Damn, I want one of these. Oh, let's put up the windows. I haven't been in the car like this in a very long time. The other car that's been probably this quick was a GTR back when I used to work at Nissan. Smooth, that's all I could say. And just look at the stitch seats. This is from the factory. Even the back seats, the door cards and everything. So nice. So you're still on the stock intake?
Yeah, so you can modify them.
Okay.
Because it's an all-wheel drive car, it's like a snow filter in there, so you just buy different filters. So it's pretty much split where like snow gets stopped in the front half. You can pretty much just delete it. It's good enough for about 600 horsepower on this. It's better than the carbon ones.
Yeah. Thanks again, man, for taking us out.
Yeah, dude.
Especially letting me drive the car. You want to drive the Subaru?
I'll only let Eddie drive my car.
Hey, go drive the Subaru.
Dude, we're good. One of these days.
All right, one of these days.
I know you're
very close. You know where I'm at, so whenever you want, it's there.